Imagine having a great business idea, but no money to make it happen. You believe in your vision, but the banks say no, investors aren't interested, and your savings aren't enough. What if the world could help you fund it? One small contribution at a time. Welcome to the world of crowdfunding, where your dream can become a reality with the help of a community that believes in your idea. In this lesson, you will learn how to explain the concept of crowdfunding and its benefits for businesses. Discuss the different types of crowdfunding and their unique characteristics. Discover practical tips and strategies for running a successful crowdfunding campaign. By the end of this session, you'll understand how entrepreneurs use the power of people, the crowd, to bring business ideas to life. Crowdfunding is a modern financing method where a large group of individuals contribute small amounts of money to fund a project or business. Instead of relying on banks or big investors, entrepreneurs turn to the internet and social media to reach people who believe in their ideas. Crowdfunding doesn't just raise money, it builds a community. It validates your idea and gives you loyal supporters even before your product officially launches. Types of crowdfunding. There are 4 main types of crowdfunding, each serving a different purpose. 1. Rewards-based crowdfunding. Supporters give money in exchange for rewards like exclusive products or special perks. Example, a startup offering eco-friendly tumblers gives early backers a limited edition version. 2. Donation-based crowdfunding. People give without expecting anything in return, often used for causes, charities, or community projects. 3. Debt-based crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending. Here, supporters act as lenders. They fund your business, and you repay them later with interest. 4. Equity-based crowdfunding. Investors contribute money in exchange for partial ownership or shares in your company. This type is common for fast-growing startups. Running a successful crowdfunding campaign. Now, if you're planning to start your own crowdfunding campaign, here are key strategies for success. 1. Set clear goals. Be transparent about how much you need and how the funds will be used. 2. Craft an engaging story. People don't just buy products, they buy into stories. Tell them why your idea matters. 3. Offer valuable rewards. Think of creative perks that excite your backers. 4. Market your campaign. Use social media, email, and even your personal network to spread the word. 5. Be transparent. Keep your backers updated and thank them genuinely for their support. 6. Leverage your network and media. Reach out to bloggers, journalists, and influencers who can help your campaign reach more people. Preparing for challenges. Of course, crowdfunding isn't without challenges you might face. Funding shortfalls, not every campaign reaches its goal. Make your pitch realistic and compelling. Reward delivery issues, always plan logistics before launching. Tax and legal matters, some crowdfunding types have financial regulations. Consult a professional. Preparation and honesty are your best tools in overcoming these hurdles. Let's look at a Filipino example. The Bamboo Company, founded by Mark Ganaban. Mark wanted to create sustainable bamboo products to replace single-use plastics. Through a rewards-based crowdfunding campaign, he raised funds to produce his first batch of bamboo toothbrushes and tumblers. What started as a small idea turned into a social enterprise that now supports local bamboo farmers and promotes eco-friendly living across the Philippines. This shows how crowdfunding can empower Filipino entrepreneurs to bring meaningful projects to life. Ask yourself, how can crowdfunding help you start your own business idea? Which type of crowdfunding do you think fits your project best? Rewards, donation, debt, or equity-based? What story would you tell to convince others to support your vision? Crowdfunding is more than just raising money. It's about building trust, sharing your passion, and creating a movement around your idea. If you believe in your dream, chances are others will too. All it takes is a clear vision, the right story, and the courage to put your idea out there. So, take the leap and let the crowd help bring your business to life. Believe in your idea. Share your story. Build your dream.